Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This, the webcast series. So, what is visual communication? To put it simply, communicating is conveying a message. Question is, how do we convey that message in a way that it is actually heard? Messages, we know, are everywhere. They're coming at us faster than we can even keep it all and take it all in. We use and receive messages in lots of ways. Primarily, we like to look at messages that come at us both in auditory ways, it means we hear them. Visual ways, meaning we see them. And even kinesthetically, we can experience them or feel them in physical ways. So there's lots of different ways that these messages come to us. I mean, most typically, we see visuals in graphs, charts, pictures, signs, signals, symbols. They're all around us. We convey them in our presentations through the use of whiteboards, poster boards, handouts, video clips, projection equipment, computer-assisted presentations. So why do we do this? Because we know visuals give us a greater power to educate and influence than text alone. When we hear people say, picture this, or they grab a cocktail napkin or a Post-it note to help tell a funny story or to give directions or to help somebody understand, well, why is this such a universal way of communicating? Because our brains are wired to see in pictures. It dates all the way back to historic days of cave paintings and petroglyphs. This type of communication precedes written language by thousands of years. So this isn't new. This is why I have this huge beef with the idea that you have to be a visual learner to learn in visual ways. Visual communication isn't just about being a visual learner. Think about it. The idea that you have to be a visual learner to send and receive messages visually? It's kind of ludicrous, I think. But we all communicate in visual ways, all of us, because we all have a left and right brain. Think about the last time you clicked on a post or on Facebook, the last time you laughed at a joke. What captured your attention? The graphic or video accompanying the post or the prop or the body language used by the comedian, they probably all played a part because we are all visual learners. We capture a visual message faster than we hear the words. We have two sides of our brains, left and right, and they work together, not separately, to make meaning.